How to repost an Instagram post. If you see a photo or video on Instagram that you want to share with others, here are the ways you can repost it. Option 1. Share to your Instagram story. Open the Instagram app and find the post you want to share. 2. Tap the airplane share icon below the post. 3. Select Add to Story to share it to your Instagram story. 4. You can customize the story by adding stickers, text, music, or other effects. 5. Once you're happy with it, tap Share at the bottom right. The original poster's username, e.g. @Patagonia, will be visible in the shared story. Option 2. Repost as a feed post, with a workaround. Instagram doesn't have a built-in option to repost someone else's post directly to your feed. However, you can use a workaround. 1. Tap the airplane icon under the post. 2. If you choose Instagram under the Share To list, it will only send the post as a direct message, not a feed post. 3. Instead, tap Facebook in the sharing options. 4. Under Privacy, set the post to Only Me on Facebook. 5. Turn on Instagram sharing. You may need to sign in. 6. This will repost the Instagram post to your own Instagram feed while keeping it private on Facebook. Important: the original post will still display the creator's username, e.g. @Patagonia, because they own the content and it's copyright. You can share it with your followers, but Instagram will still credit the original poster. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.